The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for Monroe County in northeast Mississippi until 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:19 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado was located 4 miles northeast of Aberdeen, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Cities in the path of this tornado through 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time include Gattman, Greenwood Springs, QUINCY. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot. A tornado has been confirmed. This is a tornado emergency. Seek shelter in a sturdy building now.